How to remove and change background from image in Canva. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about, so this will be a very simple process, so I will show you step by step. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app, and here I have one image. So I will show you first how you can remove that background. So there is a few way. Okay, first you can simply use that BG remover, select that image and click on BG remover. Then this background will be removed. If you find something you want to still, if you want to remove which you unwanted still there, click on again BG remover, click on erase and increase decrease that circle size, and you can delete this like this. Okay, if you find anything which you want to delete, you can delete from here like this. Okay, in my case there is nothing like this, but you can delete this. This is a process. Okay, you can delete like this. Okay, now just come back. Now if you want to change that image background, then you can simply, if you want to change with the color, then simply minimize the image, select that background, go to this color and select that color from here. So there is a gradient color also and normal color also, or you can choose color from here, and Canva also show you that like color with your image. Okay, it will be suit to your images. Okay, it is like color combination with your image, so you can choose from here also. Okay, if you want to generate some image as a background, then you can generate, or you can put the image as a background from here also. Go to the element, search images what you want. So I search for nature background. Okay, in elements I need to search for a nature background. We need to go in photos, choose any photos here, right click on it and replace the background. The background will be replaced, and you can edit your, you can resize your photo or adjust your photo size like this. Okay, and if you want to generate the AI with AI, if you want to generate background with the AI, then you can generate it. Okay, go to the, select your image and go to the edit, and here the in Magic Studio we need, you can see that BG generator. Just click on it and describe your background. You need to describe in text, city background with busy road on at signal view. Okay, and generate, then it will be start generating. Okay, you can increase your image size like this. Okay, the background has been generated like this. You have few options, you can choose any one like this. And if you want to regenerate again, or if you want to make some correction here, you can edit your prompt. Busy road with many cars in background. Regenerate. Okay, so background again generated. You can select whatever you want. Now just click done. Now you can download as a PNG file or any format you want. Okay, so that is how you can remove the background from image, or you can make change, generate the new. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.